The possibility of a renewed attempt by Pakistan-sponsored terror groups to foment trouble around Independence Day by exploiting the resentment over alleged discrimination of Muslims by the judiciary in the wake of execution of 1993 blast convict Yaqub Memon has led the centre to issue a detailed advisory to all states and union territories for heightened surveillance. The 7-page advisory, though part of a standard pre-August 15 security drill forwarded since the 1980s, is different in that it mentions specific security threats including a Lashkar-e-Taiba plan to hijack or blow up an Air India flight on the Kabul-Delhi-Kabul sector and Al-Qaeda's designs to hit Indian naval facilities including the Karwar Naval Base, the Southern Naval Command in Kochi and Mumbai-based Western Naval Command. Independence Day function provides an attractive target for various militant terrorist outfits and rabid communal elements due to high publicity value and concentrated presence of dignitaries. A key input mentioned in the August 7th advisory, addressed to state chief secretaries and DGPs, pointed to Al-Qaeda's plans to target BJP offices, aviation, tourist and railway facilities. The Independence Day alert also flagged the threat to popular food joints, cafeteria and other places frequented by foreign nationals. The Independence Day alert cites the continuous flow of intelligence inputs regarding specific threat of terror attacks by LAT, Jaish-e-Mohammed and even Al-Qaeda. For example, on April 8, input said a group of 8 to 10 LET terrorists, suicide bombers, would enter India via sea route from Karachi or through J&K to carry out an attack on a railway station or a hotel. In view of the terror threats, the security agencies have asked the forces and state police to maintain strict access control and anti-sabotage checks, besides intensifying patrolling and keeping strict vigil at railway stations and tracks, bus stands, airports and entry points.